Hi friends, welcome to learnself.com. Today we are going to see about brackets. Brackets is an open source editor which is written in HTML, CSS, JavaScript with primary focus on web development. It is created by Adobe Systems. It is a cross-platform software which is available for almost all type of operating systems such as Windows, Linux, Mac, etc. Hi friends. Now I am going to show you how to install bracket code editor on PopOS. Before installing, you have to add a repository in your machine. This is the command to add a repository. After adding a repository, now we are going to update the repository in your machine using a command apt-get update. After updating a repository, now we are going to install brackets using a command apt-get install brackets. After installing, to check, go to activities and then type bracket. It shows the application icon. Just click the icon to open. It will open the bracket code editor application. This is about the installation of bracket code editor. I hope this video will be informative for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Linux Help. For further tutorial, visit www.linuxhelp.com. Any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.